What's the meaning of council area? Council area. Council area.
Council area. Council area. A council area is a type of administrative division used in some countries, primarily in the United Kingdom and Australia. It refers to a geographic region that is governed by a local council or municipal authority. These areas are responsible for providing a range of public services, including waste management, planning, and social services. Council areas are often created based on population density or other demographic factors, and they can vary in size and scope depending on the needs of the community they serve. Overall, council areas play an important role in local governance and community development.